This is about the MP3 player, or plugging a phone into the radio. This is the radio with the 6-disc changer, and it says MP3, but there's nowhere to plug into it. And I've taken the top trim off. It comes off in one piece. There's just pull tabs on both sides. Here's the trim piece itself. It's got some pull tab, one there, and one there, and one there. And one at the bottom there. 5. Okay, it pulls out. There's 4 screws. They look like this. They're Phillips. And I'm not sure what size that is. It's like 8 mil or 7. I'm not sure. But they're Phillips on the inside, not T-Star. Okay, I was looking at the sides. And I know they sell a kit from watching another guy's video that they say to add putting the kit adds the headphone jack to plug in the MP3 or iPod or other type. On this side, that's what it looks like, but on this side, there's this plug here. Sorry, I had to flip the camera over. There's a plug there. Looks like I can get the light turned on. I can't get the phone light to turn on. Alright. Well, there's a plug in here. And let's see any other plugs. Oh, there, I got the light on. There's the plug. Okay, they sell a kit that I'm pretty sure it plugs into this. It just goes from that to the USB. Goes from that to either a USB or a headphone jack. Probably a headphone jack plug. And you have to like drill a hole somewhere in the trim, like either in the